Well, Seymour, I made it, despite your directions.
Ah, Superintendent Chalmers, welcome. I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable luncheon.
Yeah.
Oh, ye gods! My roast is ruined! You know, But what if I were to purchase fast food and disguise it as my own cooking? Superintendent, I was just...
You...
Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburgers.
You know, these hamburgers are Krusty Burger.
Oh, no. Patented Skinner Burger.
They're obviously Krusty Burger. You in your kitchen, Seymour.
Excuse me for 1 second.
Uh-huh.
Oh, well, that was wonderful. Good time was had by all. I'm pooped.
Yes, I should be. Good Lord, what is happening in there?
The house is on fire! Seymour!
Our fire is entirely within your kitchen.
No.
Seymour, help!
Well, Seymour, you are an odd fellow.